Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you and I've got Glossybox. This is the September box. I haven't opened it up yet. I did receive a PR box. This is kind of gifted to me as I'm on Glossybox's PR, but I can't remember exactly what's inside it, so I will go back on my phone and see if there's any extra information I can share with you. Ooh. So back to the usual pink box. So if you're new to Glossybox and you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. But if you've seen it all before and you just rather see what's inside their September box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £13.25 a month and that includes shipping. And this is Glossybox UK. There are Glossyboxes around the world. What you're seeing in this video is just Glossybox UK. Inside the box you'll find 5 beauty treats ranging from skincare, hair care, makeup, body care, nail care, anything beauty related, and sometimes we get the odd freebie as well. You can opt for a monthly rolling subscription which you can cancel any month, plus you can opt for a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost, alongside receiving PR from Glossybox, which I've been receiving now for I think it's about 18 months, 2 years, I can't remember now, a long while anyway, which I'm really grateful for. I do have my own personal subscription. I take out a 12-month subscription, so instead of paying £13.25 a month, I pay £11.75 a month. I think that's what it is. I think so anyways. It's a couple of pound off. With those boxes I either do giveaways with the contents on Facebook or Instagram, which are both Diaryofabeautygeek, or I give them to friends and family as gifts. Glossybox also bring out limited edition boxes, and they've got a MAC one coming up soon. To be in for a chance of being able to get one, because it's open for Glossybox subscribers first, they have priority, and then a couple of hours later it goes on general sale. If it's a big branded limited edition like MAC, I'm assuming based on previous boxes, they've had Elemis, Huda Beauty, they've just gone within half an hour or so of being released, so unfortunately general sale, no one can get one. I'll pop details of the dates and everything for this MAC box down below in my description, as well as links to the subscription and any codes that are lying around. I have a code myself which is Diary, which will entitle you to receive your first box for £10, but if I can find any other codes out there that will give you a better discount or a freebie etc, then I'll pop it down there as well. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, please ask away. But let's get on to showing you what's inside this September box. That's what it looks like. Wrapped up lovely. So we've got a little leaflet here and it details everything about the products inside the box, so I'll refer to it as we go along. Plus it gives you the theme as well. October sneak peek then. Next month we can't wait to unleash our alter egos with our Magical Masquerade special dual design glossy box. They always do dual design glossy boxes in October and they are amazing. They are really, really cool. And yeah, so Magical Masquerade for next month, that's the theme. And in every single October box, you'll receive Josephine Cosmetics Lip Power Liquid Lipstick. It's full size and it's worth, I'm assuming it's full size, it doesn't actually say, but it's worth £20 there. So everyone will receive one of those in their box. Gone back to the box then, let's give you a sneak peek. Ooh, there's a freebie in there. Spotted chocolate. There. Looking at the press release that was sent a few days ago, it says the variant I will receive in my PR box will be the new customer variant. Current customers will not receive the Monaco Beauty Lip and Cheek Balm from July's box again. Ah, okay. We'll start off with this then. We received this back in July, so new customers that sign up for Glossybox for September onwards will receive this in their box. It doesn't give me the alternative, what regular subscribers will receive. But we do receive 6 items this month and also a chocolate bar. But yeah, as soon as I find out any more, I will let you know anyway. Okay, so the first item is by Monaco Beauty. This is a lip and cheek tint, blendable, quick drying, natural flush of colour for face and lips. We've got flamingo pink here, and there's 5 mils. For me personally, I'm not keen on these. I don't use them, but you only need a tiny, tiny bit as it's very pigmented. Oh, see, I always press too much. You can imagine putting that on your cheeks, can't you? That's one cheek done. Gorgeous lip colour. Gorgeous lip colour, but yeah, you need literally a dab for your cheeks. It is nice. It is nice, it's just not something I would use. The recommended retail price for this blush tint is £12. This lip and cheek tint perfectly blurs the lines between a dewy gloss and a pigmented stain, making it an essential multitasking product. Blend in to give your cheeks a youthful luminous glow and your lips a natural pop of buildable colour. Yeah, for me personally, that's more of a lip product that I would wear, but yeah, it gives a nice sort of glow to your skin. And this is what regular subscribers will receive. You might not be able to see anything there because of the reflection. This is by Judith Lieber. For Her, More is More. And what is it? Mandarin oil. Ooh, ooh, oh, I love that. Oh, I do, I really love that. Wow, it's perfumes. I wasn't expecting that. You can wear our 3 perfumes alone or mixed together. First up, we've got Gourmand. I can't say it. Oh, please be nice perfumes. I like it. Actually, no, I don't. I don't like that one. At first I did, but I don't now. I fickle, aren't I? It has blackcurrant absolute, mandarin oil, and gingerbread, yeah, ginger rose oil, cashmere, vanilla. It's not my favourite, not my favourite. We have got Zest. Zest sounds like it could be. Okay, let's blend it in with the other one. That one's nice. That one deserves a spray on my hand. I love that one. I really, really like that one. So Zest is bergamot oil, grapefruit, sandalwood, cedar oil, orris concentrate and peony. I love that. Absolutely love that one. And then the last one then, we've got floral. Okay, let's have a spray here now. No, not for me. Mandarin oil, pink pepper, patchouli oil, coconut wood, orchid and ylang. No, no, not for me. Definitely number 2 Zest for me. I love the fact that we got this though. That's a little bit different, isn't it? And I love trying new perfumes. The packaging is absolutely gorgeous. This is our extra treat and it says introducing a new way to enjoy perfume featuring 3 iconic scents you can wear alone or blended together. And the recommended retail price for the set of 3 is £9. Full sizes start from £115. So there's that extra treat there. Next we've got a product by Figs and Rouge and this is Wonder Love Clarity. Vegan and sustainable skincare. What is it? What is it? Sublime, lightweight and micro-refining serum. Helps uncover skin's natural clarity. To glow, revitalise, smooth and hydrate. I love the packaging. The colour is absolutely beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, the packaging is lovely. On my blush. I can see that it's slightly shimmery. Just a really nice serum. Full size item and the recommended retail price is £42. It's sublime, lightweight and micro refining serum. These drops will help uncover your skin's natural clarity. This radiance inducing and pore refining whilst also ensuring your complexion is clear and free of breakouts and blackheads. Your skin will have never felt so soft and refreshed. Next we've got a mask. This is a sheet mask by Vitamasks and this is a pearl mask for brightening. That's what it looks like there. And on the back tells you how to use it. A moisturising Korean face mask made with extracts of pearl to brighten your skin. The recommended retail price of this mask is £4.99. Boost dull and tired skin with this radiance evoking sheet mask combining chamomile, centella and pearl powder. This mask and its skin loving serum instantly moisturises whilst also providing antioxidant and anti-inflammatory protection that shields against redness and brightens lacklustre skin. It's got a sheet mask. Next, we got a product by Sebamed. This is antibacterial cleansing foam to improve acne-prone skin, combats pimples and blackheads, effective antibacterial action due to Montolin C40, gentle pore deep cleansing, and there's 50 mils here. I'll be passing this on to my teens, my two little teens that are struggling with skin changes and blackheads and blemishes, so yeah, I'll give that to them. The recommended retail price is £7.99. Effectively penetrating your pores, this antibacterial foam offers deep clean cleansing to leave your skin feeling clean and clear. With a pH value of 5.5, it also supports and protects the natural barrier function of your skin's acid mantle. For skin that's smooth and hydrated, job done. Is that? And then this was our sneak peek from last month. I think it was anyway. I'm sure it was. It's a facial cleansing tool. How cool is that? Ooh, ooh. That's bristles. I thought that was foam. It feels amazing. It feels so soft. Oh, how lovely. Can you see there? And then on the back there, you've got a rubber base there, but yeah, this is bristles. Oh, I like that. This is by Spa to You, and the recommended retail price is £16.49. This dual-headed multi-use brush is the only at-home pamper tool you will need. With an exfoliating brush on one side and an ultra-soft fine bristle brush on the other, this cleansing brush helps to cleanse pores and remove makeup and masks. It also gently massages your face at the same time, giving you that post-facial feeling. So, as well as those products, there's a chocolate bar in there. This is a Lindor by Lindt chocolate bar. I'm going to save that for afters. So yeah, there's no mention about it in here. So to do a bit of a recap, I'll just show you what's inside the box again. So new subscribers will receive this Monaco cheek and lip tint. Next, we've got a set of 3 perfumes by Judith Lieber. We've got a pearl sheet mask by Vitamasks. We've got a Figs and Rouge Clarity Face Serum. We've got a Sebamed Antibacterial Cleansing Foam. And lastly, we've got a Spa for You, a facial cleansing tool. It has a value of around £96-97, so definitely well above the cost of the box. I really like this month's box. I love the fact that we've got a cleansing tool in there. I think that's a first. I'm not sure. I've been with Glossybox now for 4 years. I'm not sure if we've had a cleansing tool before. We might have done. It feels nice and I can't wait to use it. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. Figs and Rouge Serum as well. A really gorgeous product. I can't wait to see what it is actually like on my skin. I hope it's not too glowy on my skin because I like having a glowy skin, but I don't like having it in my middle. I don't want a shining beacon of a nose and a chin. No, I don't want that. So we'll see what that's like on my skin. The cleanser, my kids will use it. The lip and cheek tint, I'll pass that on as well. And yeah, the Vitamasks. A pearl mask, I'm not sure if I've received that before either, so that's something new. I like the fact that it's brightening. Overall, I do think for £13.25 this month is a really nice box. Oh, and the perfumes, I forgot about the perfumes, our extra treat, as well as the chocolate. So there's 7 items in my box this month, so yeah. Really happy. But as always, I would love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Have you received yours yet? Are you a regular subscriber? What did you receive instead of the Monaco Beauty? I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.